Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore how to run YAML files within Visual Studio Code. YAML, which stands for YAML Ain't Markup Language, is a human-readable data serialization format. It's often used for configuration files, data storage, and inter-process communication. While YAML itself isn't executable like a programming language, VS Code offers great tools to work with and validate YAML files, ensuring they're correctly formatted and ready for your applications. First, you need to install the YAML extension in VS Code. Go to the Extensions Marketplace. Search for YAML by Red Hat. Click Install. This extension provides syntax highlighting, validation, and completion for YAML files. Syntax highlighting makes your code easier to read. Validation checks for errors. Completion helps you write code faster. After installation, open your YAML file in VS Code. You should see the syntax highlighted based on the YAML structure. Now, let's talk about validating your YAML file. The YAML extension automatically validates your file as you type. If there are any errors, VS Code will highlight them with red squiggly lines. Hover over the error to see a description of the problem. Common YAML errors include incorrect indentation, missing colons, or invalid data types. Proper indentation is crucial in YAML. It defines the structure and hierarchy of your data. Make sure you use consistent indentation throughout your file. Generally, 2 spaces are recommended for indentation. Next, let's see how to use YAML files with your applications. YAML files are typically used to configure applications. Your application will read the YAML file. It will then use the data to configure its behavior. For example, you might have a YAML file that specifies database connection details, API keys, or other settings. Your application will parse the YAML file. It will then access the values it needs. You can use libraries in various programming languages to parse YAML files. Python has the PyYAML library. JavaScript has libraries like JSYAML. Install the appropriate library for your programming language. Use it to load and process the YAML file. Finally, consider using schema validation for more robust YAML management. YAML schemas define the structure and data types expected in your YAML files. You can use tools like YAML to validate your YAML files against a schema. This ensures that your YAML files conform to a predefined structure. It catches errors early in the development process. This makes your application more reliable. Creating a schema involves defining the expected structure and data types for each field in your YAML file. The schema helps enforce consistency and prevent data corruption. Remember that while you don't run YAML files in the traditional sense, these tools enable you to effectively use them in your projects. That's it for today's video on running YAML files in VS Code. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more content. Your support helps us create more tutorials like this. Let us know in the comments what other VS Code topics you'd like us to cover.